We are proud to announce that TB2 Aerospace, in collaboration with Draganfly, has successfully demonstrated the drone recharging operational payload system, also known as DROPS, during the U.S. Army's Sustainment Modernization 2025 SMEX exercise. Over a week of intensive field operations, the DROPS systems integrated with Draganfly's Commander 3XL drone achieved a 100% success rate in fully autonomously deploying, recovering, and recharging TB2's tactical resupply pods under demanding and austere conditions. This real-world demonstration validated Draganfly and DROPS as a reliable and scalable solution for tactical resupply and contested logistics, earning recognition from defense evaluators and technology observers for its performance and operational significance. Draganfly is honored, along with TB2 Aerospace and the U.S. Army, in pioneering next-generation logistics and payload capabilities. Our work at SMEX25 reinforces our mission to deliver technology that meets the evolving challenges of modern defense strategy, saving time, money, and lives.